Hi, I'm Fleur Sharpe, creator of Cook, Live, Love and the Ultimate Thermomix Workshop.
It was absolutely brilliant. It really was. I've learned so much today.
We're going to find a playlist of meals in minutes that you and your family can make any night of the week.
A lot of my friends have one, so in terms of having a party.
See, my husband cooks in it every day. He loves it.
You're going to discover recipes that you can save serious money in your Thermomix.
Creating the staples, the paste, the peanut butters, I think save the money and get the money back on the Thermomix really. And just having that person to be able to answer questions that you have about your device.
And you're also going to walk away with a menu plan for entertaining your family and friends.
Fleur is just such a brilliant presenter. She's obviously done a lot of preparation and she's passionate, which has made me quite passionate today.
The Ultimate Thermomix Workshop is the perfect gift for the Thermomix lover in your life.